Okay, let's take a look at your submission for the Chapter 5 problems, the Chapter 5 prepare case. And what I want to look at in this video is the formula used in cell P9. So so within the chapter, I'm not exactly, I was looking to see if my notes had what page this was on, but it's very near, it's like in the last third of the chapter where we build functions in this transactions worksheet. And you're very close to having it correct. You just have one little typo. In two instances, you used the number 9 instead of what they wanted you to use was the cell address 09 because we're referring to the retail amount. So I'm going to place in here, I'm going to delete what you have existing, and I'm going to place in the correct function there. Do you see how I'm using the cell address 09? That's the difference. That's the correction that is needed. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to flip over to your employee report. So on the employee report, you have functions that are constructed properly, but the results they display are not what is shown in the book. So you might have wondered, like, why is that? And it's because they're referring back to data in the transaction sheet, and because that little error was present, it sort of cascaded into other areas. So I corrected it here in P9. I'm going to autofill it down the entire column. Notice some values change. I'm going to go back to the employee report, and now we have the correct result displayed. And that's one of the things that we've talked about with this Chapter 5 work, is that there are all of these intertwined threads, and it makes it much more complicated, but also kind of like interesting at the same time. If you have any questions about making that correction, let me know.